Hey guys, we received this elemental iconic kids water bottle with straw lid and pop it handle. So this one is a really nice set for the kids. So let me just open up this. So this is the blue and purple shade, and you can see that the lid is good, like the handle. And then this is a pop it handle here as well for play, and then this is the slip against like this. So you can adjust this there. So it's a nice design that you can use, and there's a pop it handle for the kids to play. And this is the steel, like the leak proof design, and insulated kit stainless steel water bottle. So you can use that the straw stuff. Let me just open up this. So this have this straw stickers that you can put on the bottles with your name if you want to. And then other thing, so inside it's all stainless steel that you can see, insulated one, so it can keep your hot and warm or cold water intact. And then also you can use these stickers on the top of the bottle if you want, or your name stickers, depends, it comes with this. So overall, a nice bottle here, and with the all supplied things, extra straw, and then straw that you can use and clean, and then also this top handle. So you can exchange or change this straw, or put in the stuff. And then all these water bottles are really nice and good for the kids with the handle. So top handle, side handle, pocket handle, insulated grip, like the slip-free base here, and then is good and easy for the kids to drink water.